Hello everybody, Justin with Lucky8 Off-Road, and today I'm going to show you how to install a set of Proud Rhino 2.5-inch lift rods on an LR3, LR4, Range Rover Sport. It's all the same. We're going to start here in the front, and then we'll work our way to the back. I'll bring the camera in, you grab a beer, and we'll get this job done. First thing you want to do is find the lift rod. I'm trying to set the camera down here nice and easy so we don't get seasick. It's right here. That's the lift rod. That is the lift or the height sensor arm, and it's made of plastic. You want to be super careful with that. And if you're ever swapping out a front height sensor, here's the two torques that you pull out to get that off. This is my favorite tool for the job. I like to get it in there and pop it open. Before we do that, I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit of lube. A little bit of lube never hurt anything. So gently, without putting too much pressure on this arm, because you don't want to snap it, just want to work the factory rod off. The upper portion is just a piece of steel, so kind of do whatever you need to get that out of the way. Next up, we're going to put the front on. The front is the one with the twist. Slide it over the factory little metal piece. Gently put the lift rod in place. Snap it together. That easy. Okay, moving to the back. Lift rod is tucked behind the control arm. There we go. Let's see, get a good spot. There's the steel piece that it bolts to and the plastic arm that we want to be careful. First thing, a little bit of lube. Favorite tool. Now, on this one, I'm going to pop it off here so I can move the arm up and get access to it. The straight one goes in the back. I'm going to do the arm first. And then the steel. And there you have it. It's one of the simplest jobs to do, and I think it's the easiest lift kit in the world. So the hardest part in my mind is actually getting the tires off, making sure the vehicle's safe to work on, and then putting the tires back on. The lift rod portion is simple. And speaking of lift rods, here's what a factory one looks like. You know what, I'm gonna bring it in. All right. Factory lift rod, little rubber jobby. It's not much. The reason I bring this up is because some bozo on the internet says that the lift rods that are made of twisty rubber here need to be made super strong because you can bend them. If you're bending a lift rod from us made of 1/8-inch aluminum, you got other problems. So don't pay attention to the nonsense. Come to the guys that do it for a living. And on that, I'll see you guys on the next one.